morning, my dear students. In our last period, we started the lesson Nujo's project. Let's revise it. Akshay found something strange and different near his house. What was that? Yes, that was a spaceship. And from that spaceship, an alien named Nujo stepped down. He visited Earth to complete his school project, and Nujo requested Akshay to help him in completing his school project. Akshay agreed to help him, and Akshay showed some models of human body parts and also the parts of face. Now tell me, what was the project of Nujo? Yes, that was to study human body parts.
Now, let's continue the chapter on page 14. As we all know that Akshay showed Nujo the models of the human body parts, now Akshay is explaining how the human body part works. Akshay said, "Now look at me. This is my elbow joint. I can move it like this, but not like this way." Akshay asked Nujo to observe the movement of the elbow. He can move his hand upside, but not downwards or exactly opposite side. अक्षयने नुजोला कोपरापासून आपला हात हलवून दाखवला आणि त्याने त्याला समजावून सांगितले की मी माझा हात असा वरच्या बाजूला हलवू शकतो, पण एक्झॅक्टली विरुद्ध दिशेला मी माझा हात तसा नाही हलवू शकत. Then Akshay showed his shoulder joint to Nujo. This is my shoulder joint. I can turn it in 360 degrees. He can move it in 360 degrees, means complete circle or circular motion. गोलाकार ज्याला आपण म्हणू. अक्षयने दाखवलं की तो त्याचा संपूर्ण हात खांद्यापासून गोलाकार 360 अंशामध्ये म्हणजे एखाद्या वर्तुळाप्रमाणे हलवू शकतो. Now Nujo thought that this was very exciting. He said, "Wow, can you tell me about other living things on the earth?" Now Nujo is very excited and wanted to get more and more information about the other living things on the earth. Nothing simpler. Akshay accepted the Nujo's request and showed him the models of animals and birds. He showed him the models of animals like an elephant, a bull or an ox, a lion, a sparrow or a bird. Akshay introduced Nujo with each and every body part of each animal. Just like this is an elephant. An elephant has tusks. You know the word tusk? You have already learned this word. Do you remember in which lesson? Yes, the wild boar and the fox. Tusk means long pointed teeth. मराठीमध्ये आपण ज्याला सुळे म्हणतो, टोकदार धारदार दात. This is a trunk. An elephant has a trunk. Trunk, sound. There is a tail. Tail, शेपूट. Elephant has two front legs and two hind legs. Front legs पुढील पाय, hind legs मागील पाय. Now look at this image. This is an ox, or you may say it as a bull. It has horns. Horn means the hard pointed thing the animals have on their head. Horn ज्याला आपण शिंग म्हणतो. हूफ, हूफ म्हणजे खूर आणि हूज म्हणजे अनेक खूर, खूरचं अनेक वचन. A bull has a hoof and hooves also. It has a jaw. Akshay showed Nujo two more images. Look, this is a lion. Lion has a paw. Paw, पंजा. Paws, पंजे. It has a mane. Mane, आयाळ. And then lion has also whiskers. Whiskers, मिशा. There is an image of a bird also. A bird has beak or bill. Beak, चोच. Bill, चोच. Bird has wings also. Wings, पंख. It has feathers. Feathers, पिसे. आता विंग्स आणि फेदर्स यामध्ये बेसिक फरक काय आहे लक्षात घ्या. पक्षाच्या अंगाला चिकटलेले जी असतात ती पिसे आणि ज्या पंखांच्या साहाय्याने पक्षी गगनभरारी घेतो किंवा उडतो त्याला विंग्स किंवा पंख म्हणतात. अँड क्लॉज. क्लॉज मीन्स वन ऑफ द लॉंग नेल्स ऑन द एंड ऑफ द बर्ड्स फूट. म्हणजे पक्षी जेव्हा झाडाच्या फांदीवर बसतो तेव्हा त्या फांदीची पकड घेण्यासाठी त्याच्या पायांची आणि नख्यांची एक विशिष्ट प्रकारची रचना असते. ती जी पक्ष्यांची नखे असतात त्याला क्लॉज असं म्हणतात. इन धिस वे अक्षय showed few models of animals to Nujo. Now let's move forward to page 15. While looking at the image of a snail, and when Akshay started to describe the parts of a snail, suddenly and very quickly Nujo replied, I know what these are. They are antennae, just like the way I have. At the same time, his buzzers started ringing. Nujo said, Oh, my buzzers ringing. My time on the earth is up. I must go. Ringing of buzzer was a signal to Nujo that his time on the earth was up and now he has to return to his planet. Nujo said to Akshay, Thanks friend, bye. Nujo considered Akshay as his friend and Akshay also replied immediately, Let's meet again. Then Nujo started his returning journey towards his own planet. Now this chapter ends here. It was really very exciting meeting with an alien. Now we will revise some difficult words. Tusk, सुळे, trunk, सोंड, front legs, पुढील पाय, hind legs मागील पाय, tail शेपूट, horns शिंगे, jaw जबडा, hoof खूर, hooves अनेक खूर, खूरचे अनेक वचन, whiskers मिशा, mane आयाळ, paw पंजा, beak चोच, bill चोच, wing पंख, feathers पिसे, claw नख्या, gill कल्ले, fin पर. Now we turn towards the exercise. Here are some figures from Nujo's project, but sadly he has made some mistakes in drawing and labeling them. Help him correct his mistakes. My dear students, Nujo has completed his project when he returned to his planet, but he has made some mistakes in it or in drawing and labeling the figures, and now we are going to correct that mistakes. Look at, these are 4 images. Look at the first image. Now here is the image of an elephant. Nujo labeled 4 legs of an elephant very correctly, and also hind legs of an elephant very correctly, but he labeled trunk as a tail. He has to label this part of an elephant as a trunk. नुजोने अनावधानाने हत्तीची जी सोंड आहे त्याला शेपूट म्हणजेच टेल असं लेबलिंग केलेलं आहे. तर आपण नुजोला सुचवूया की इथे त्याने ट्रंक असं लेबलिंग केलं पाहिजे. अँड अल्सो नुजो मिस्ड टू ड्रॉ अ टेल ऑफ ॲन एलिफंट. नुजो कदाचित गडबडीत हत्तीचे शेपूट काढायला विसरला आहे. त्यामुळे आपण त्याला हत्तीचे शेपूट काढण्यासंबंधी सूचना देऊ शकतो. We may suggest him to draw a tail of an elephant. Now we will turn towards the second image. This is an image of a bull, or you may say an ox. Nujo labeled bull's horn as a tusk, but it is not a tusk. Tusk means long pointed teeth, धारदार दात किंवा सुळे. आणि बैलाच्या शिंगांना नुजोने टस्क असं लेबल केलेलं आहे. तेव्हा आपण त्याला सुचवूया की तिथे हॉर्न असं लेबलिंग पाहिजे. नुजो हॅज टू लेबल इट ॲज अ हॉर्न. नाव नुजो also failed or made mistake to label hooves or hoof of a bull. He labeled it paws. जे जंगली किंवा शिकार करणारे प्राणी असतात त्यांच्या पायांना पंजे म्हणतात. ते पायाने शिकार करतात. पण जे प्राणी पायाने शिकार करत नाहीत त्यांच्या पायांची एक वेगळी रचना असते. त्या पायांना खूर असं संबोधलं जातं, ज्याला आपण इंग्लिशमध्ये हूफ आणखी हूज असं म्हणतो. तर नुजोला आपण इथे सुचवलं पाहिजे की बैलाच्या पायांना त्यानं हूज असं लेबलिंग केलं पाहिजे. We may suggest Nujo that he labeled it as a paws and it is wrong labeling. He has to label it as a hooves. Then we turn towards the third image. It is an image of a bird. Nujo labeled beak very correctly and appropriately. He also labeled claws very properly. Tail also correct labeled, and he labeled all the 3 parts of bird very correctly, but he draw antenna on the head of a bird. बर्डच्या म्हणजे पक्ष्याच्या डोक्यावर त्याने अँटिना काढलेला आहे शिंगासारखा, तर तो अवयव पक्ष्याला जास्तीचा नसतो. हे आपण नुजोला सुचवूया. नुजोला आपण सांगू की अँटेना हा अवयव पक्ष्यांसाठी नसतो. वी मे सजेस्ट नुजो टू इरेज दॅट पार्ट अँड डू नॉट लेबल इट also. Now we will turn towards the third image. This is an image of a fish. Nujo labeled eye very correctly, but he failed to label or made a mistake in labeling gill. He labeled it as a ear. माशाचे जे कल्ले असतात त्याला त्याने इयर म्हणजे कान असं लेबलिंग केलेलं आहे. तर आपण नुजोला सुचवूया की ते माशाचे कल्ले आहेत अँड ही हॅज टू लेबल इट ॲज अ गिल. त्याचबरोबर ही माशाची जी शेपूट आहे त्याला त्याने विंग असं लेबलिंग केलेलं आहे. तर त्याला आपण टेल असं लेबलिंग करायला शिकूया. वी मे सजेस्ट नुजो टू लेबल टेल. ही लेबल टेल ॲज अ विंग अँड हिअर ही हॅड मेड मिस्टेक, सो वी मे सजेस्ट to label it as a tail. In this way, we can help Nujo for correcting the mistakes. If you want to get more information, collect some models or pictures of other animals and try to label them. Thank you.